Hello everyone. This video we're going to learn how to install IP cameras in our front gate with a PoE-powered switch. So let's think of this condition. So when we're in like a factory or we live in a mansion and we're setting up our security camera network, we might have places that the Ethernet cable is going to reach over 100 meters. So here comes a problem. We have to think about two things before we install the cameras. First is the distance. Well, most of the PoE devices and the internet devices, they compel to the IE 802.3 protocol, so the maximum length for transmission is 100 meters. When it goes over 100 meters, there's going to be signal decay and power loss, and that will result in a lot of trouble. Also, the second thing we have to think about is the weather condition. Because if mostly in factories or mansions, our front gate is far away from, our main network's room or something, so we're going to have connections that are going to be exposed outside, and there's going to be rain and dust. Rain and dust, water and dust can easily compromise our devices. And in that case, if we don't have like waterproof and dustproof devices, this will result in a lot of property damage. So how should we do it? Well, there's a very easy way. It's just like plug and use. It's by using this PoE extender. Some people might be familiar with it because it goes one end in and two ends out. But we have to think if we have like up to 10, 20 cameras, we're going to need a lot of those. And then we're going to need a lot of Ethernet cable. So that's going to be some costing material. So what else can we do? Well, we have a very useful thing, fast cabling outdoor PoE powered switch. The PoE powered switch is like a conventional switch, but it can act as a powered device which goes to receive power from other power supplement equipment, and it also can act as a PoE switch in the field which will supply power to edge devices. So you can think of as this is our main network, our PoE supply equipment, and it gives the power and data to this PoE power switch. And we connect this in the outside of our house or our factory. It will act as an independent PoE switch, which will give power and data to other IP devices connected to it. So it's pretty convenient and pretty wonderful. And the good thing about this one, our PoE powered switch, as you can hear, this is metal. And so when we plant this outside, it's waterproof and dustproof. They have reached IP67 rated. So mostly we can bury it directly underground and it will last for a very long time, and we don't have to keep worrying about the damage. So even though a PoE extender can daisy chain to theoretically unlimited devices, but you have to daisy chain 4, 5, 6 of these to reach the amount of ports this one can provide. So let's just use the PoE power switch in the field. It's going to be more simple. It's going to act like an independent station. So how will we do that? Well, this will act as our power supply equipment, usually our main network system. And then we can use this 100-meter Ethernet cable, rig it all around the house, to the outside, whatever you want. Then we have to remember, for PoE powered switches, port number 8 is the port it receives power and data. So it's like an import. We have to remember to connect it to the import so it can receive power and data. It's very important for us to remember. Well, usually the Ethernet cables go through these plugins. These will be squeezed tightly and they can resist the water from leaking in. But for our convenience, we're going to just plug it from here, because these are made for very extreme circumstances. So when we go in, there's no guarantee water and dust will go in. And then we have two IP cameras here, this panel tilt zoom and this panel tilt zoom. These two IP cameras, we're going to connect it to any ports we want. Let's get two Ethernet cables. So here we have two Ethernet cables. We're going to simply connect these two together. And you can see the indicator is blinking. It's on, it means this camera is currently functional. So we can say this camera is okay, good to go. And now for the panel tilt zoom, this big black guy here, connect, and it received power. Now it's self-diagnosing and it should be ready to go. Deep, that means it's okay to go. So now we have our system, our camera system, to this. You can imagine this is going to be planted in the front gate, and this will be in our house. This is 100 meters right in here in the middle, so it's pretty convenient. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any more questions about this whole setup, you can leave them at the section below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.